So hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We also have a website with the same name, datamahadev.com, where we basically publish posts related to concepts of artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. So do subscribe to our channel, keep sharing, keep liking, and thanks for all the love you all have given us in the recent months. All right, so Uh, from this video onwards, we'll be starting our Pandas series. Excuse me, we'll be starting our Pandas series and we'll publish a number of tutorials related to Pandas, how to read a CSV file, how to basically create series, how to convert a list into a series, and how to create data frames, how to access rows and columns of data frames, and how to basically apply EDA, exploratory data analysis, and we'll be covering a lot. So this is what it is, and from then onwards, we'll start our machine learning uh, tutorials, machine learning series. So this is a lot of videos are coming in store for you. A lot of tutorials are coming your way. So stay tuned in the coming year 2023. So stay tuned, and I hope you all are having a great season, great vacation. Enjoy, but stay focused and commit yourself to learning and upskilling and growing. So, talking about pandas. So, before we talk about pandas, we will discuss what pandas is actually, what pandas does. So, pandas is a library that is used for what? That is used for basically analysis of data, analysis of data, exploring of data, exploration of data, creation of series, data frames. All right. And it is those very data frames that are what that are basically fed to the machine learning algorithm, arrays and data frames, handling of missing values, applying statistics on the data. All right. And n number of things inside the data, extracting meaningful information from the data, information from the data, etc., etc. There are multiple usages of pandas, and pandas is one of the main libraries, key libraries to become a data scientist. All right, so this is what it is. All right, now let us go to the website, the official website of pandas, which is your Python packages, which is your pypi.org. Pandas, you won't believe, is the most used, most downloaded package of any programming language, be it Java, be it C++, etc., etc. Most downloaded and most used package in the history of entire history of programming languages. Let us enter pandas and let us check for pandas. So as you can see, there are what PyPy downloads for 103 million downloads per month. 103 million downloads per month. That is equivalent to 10 crores. 10 crore 30 lakh downloads per month. This is what pandas, the usage of pandas is, and this is what pandas is capable of. Missing data, insertion, deleted, or deletion of data frame, group by, slicing, reshaping, pivoting, all of it we will be doing. What all of it will be discussing it in these tutorials. It can use SQL based functions. It can also use Excel based pivot table, as we used to do in used to see in Excel. It can also do pivoting of the data. So many other things it can do. We will be discussing all of it in our series, our Panda series of tutorials. All right. So this is what is the most used Python package. Not only Python package, but any package in the history of programming languages. So this is what it is, the most used and the most important when it comes to interviews. So if you're planning on to become a data scientist, be prepared that you will be using pandas definitely. All right. So this is what it is. This is the introduction to pandas. Next, we'll be seeing doing what we'll be seeing. Uh, excuse me. We'll be seeing how to basically convert a list into a series. In this video, we will be discussing what we will be discussing series. Right. So this is what it is. All right. So we have imported pandas as PD. PD is what? PD is the object of pandas. What is object? You can refer it to our classes and objects playlist. All right, that will be more beneficial for you all. All right. So what objects are, how they are used. Pandas is a class, major class, a package, and with the help of PD, the object, we will be using all the functions of pandas. All right. So let us take a list A and 5, 2, 7, 4, 1. This is our list. If you want to check, type A. If you want to know more about list, you can do what? You can check our list playlist. All right. One of the very most important Python data structures. And you can also check the length of list, which is equivalent to 5. That means we have what? We have 5 elements inside a list. All right. Next, we'll do what? Next, we'll basically see how to convert a list into a series. Converting a list into a series. Let's see how we'll do that. So we'll take S1. All right. So we'll take what? PD dot series. Series should be capital. We'll take the parameter data is equal to A. All right. This is what we'll take. A is what? A is a list, and we have used what? PD, the object of pandas. Series is what? The function of pandas. Remember what I said? We'll take the object of pandas and we'll apply all the functions of pandas using this object, PD. Or data is the parameter of this function series, which will help us in converting the list to series. So this is how a series looks like. All right. It automatically creates what? It automatically creates indexes for all the elements. Whereas in a list, we don't get, when we print a list, we don't get indexes. We have to do what? We have to name it. We have to, in order to extract the index, we need to do what? A05, A15, but we don't get to automatically name the indexes. So in series, this is how a series looks like. Now, if we, in order to confirm whether it is a series or not, we'll use the type command to get the type class of the variable s1. All right. So it will say what? pandas.core.series.series. So series is what? The type of it. Pandas.core, of course, we used pandas, core pandas to extract, to convert list into a series. All right, series, the type of this S1, and series, the function that we used. So this is what it is. Similarly, we can create what? We can create a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and take S2 and do what? Convert it into a series. Just a second. Convert it into a series. So this is what it is. So that's how we create series. We can also apply basic arithmetic operations in series. So as you can see, S1, Y5 plus 1, 6, or 2 plus 2, 2, plus S2 is 2, 4, and 7 plus 3, 10. All right, 4 plus 4, 8, and 1 plus 5, 6, and all of them have been automatically indexed. We can use S1 minus S2, S1 into S2, S1 divided by S2, S1 floor division S2. So this is what it is. So that's how we create series, and that's how we apply arithmetic operations between two series. In the next video, we'll see some different other functions and parameters of series. All right. Thanks a lot, everyone. Keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. Thank you.